Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today we are making a gut-friendly, nutrient-packed postbiotic carrot dressing with our Koso. This dressing is not only delicious but also support digestion and gut health. Carrot is high in beta-carotene. You might be wondering what is beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a type of carotenoid, the natural pigment that gives vibrant colors to fruits and vegetables. More than just color, it plays a key role in overall health. Here how it works. Your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, which supports vision, immune function, and skin health. As a powerful antioxidant, beta-carotene helps protect your cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage. You get good dose of beta-carotene from carrots, sweet potato, dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, cantaloupe, and winter squash. To get the most out of beta-carotene, pair it with healthy fat like olive oil or avocado. It enhances absorption and maximizes its benefit. This postbiotic carrot dressing is easy to make as always. You need half large carrot, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of Koso original, 2 teaspoons of Koso lower sugar. A fermented drink made in Japan packed with postbiotics, prebiotics, probiotics, and polyphenols to nourish your gut. Koso is made of over 100 kinds of whole foods, providing essential nutrients while supporting digestion and balanced microbiome. All you need to do to make this dressing is grate carrot and whisk everything together until well combined. The result, a vibrant, tangy, and gut-loving dressing. Drizzle it over your favorite salad, steamed vegetables, or even roasted dishes for a boost of flavor and gut health benefit. I added it to daikon radish and add the bonito flake as well. Try it this week and experience the power of fermented nutrition with our Koso. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gut-friendly recipes. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.